Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Strom Warrior. How are you? Excuse I. Let me clear my throat. Like, Jesus. Want to make sure I'm being heard clearly. You know? What's good, y'all? It is Wednesday, the 23rd of August. How are y'all feeling? I'd like to thank y'all so much for continuously showing me love with your views, your likes, your comments, your shares, your follows, and subscriptions. They really do mean a lot to me. And I missed y'all. I kind of like missed out last week or whatever because, life and such. But I'm here now. So what's goody? We're going to hop into this tarot and see what messages the universe got for us today on this lovely Wednesday. You already know the vibes. I hope everyone's Leo season is alright. We got, mad planetary retrogrades and all this other craziness happening. So buckle up, buttercup. If you don't know, now you know. You feel me? So we gonna see what's good. It's gonna be a general reading for all signs. Alright. First hopping out. Oh man, I feel like either somebody got caught or like there has been a stop or like something to the effect of like fogging someone's mind. You know what I mean? I feel like there could be like a group of people or like just, I don't know, maybe like a hangout group or something like that, just always trying to keep you high or always trying to keep you drunk type shit. Something to that effect. I don't know. And they was kind of like feeding you this or whatever. Like, they was trying to like see you out your character when you in this state of mind. It was like something was on purpose. The sun in reverse. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They kind of, it's the energy of kind of like wanting to like slow you down a bit. Just kind of like keep you stagnant and just off your game, off your path. It's given past energy. Like this has been for a long time with this 3 of Cups because you in the 8 of Cup vibes. You know what I mean? All you try to do is look for ways to evolve, and people just want to party, and they probably think that you trying to be too good or you a goody two shoes type shit.